terrifying thing. 'Cause I feel crazy taking pictures. Hearing a thought.
Happy birthday, Mama and
Abuela.
So I would like to give a message to my beloved mother. So having you as my mom, now you're turning 70 right now. All I can say is living with you every day, even though we fight, we disagree, but you make my life so worthwhile every day. Thank you for being my mom and hope you have more blessings to come and stay healthy. Alos!
Now I remember who I was when I learned to dance with the fear that I'd been running from. Yeah.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! Thank you for always taking care of us. More long life and healthy and wealthy pocket. We love you, Mom.
I'd look like a fool. And I'd rather quit than risk that I could lose. And I'm not proud.
Lagi mo ko pinagtatanggol kapag nag-aaway kami ni Mama. And I'm always grateful na kada umiiyak ako, you're always there to comfort me and give me your endearing words. I love you, Aguel. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama. We love you.
It chased me down outside of Georgia. Now we're
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for everything.
Love you, Mommy.
Heard Lord in California. I remember who I was when I learned to dance with the fear that I'd been running from. Yeah. No, I won't run away. No, I am not afraid. I was down outside of Georgia, so sure that I was done, but something in me would not turn around and run.
Andito ako para sa'yo. Gusto kong yung mga memories natin na 21 na pagbiyahe mo sa Japan, lahat yan nasa aking memorya. Marami pa tayong pagsamahan. Hanggat kaya mong lumakad, hanggat kaya mong bumiyahe, welcome na welcome ka sa amin at mahal na mahal ka ng aking mga anak.
With the fear that I've been.
Thank you sa pagmamahal mo sa amin, sa mga pamangkin ko, salamat, at sana mas marami pang birthday, i-celebrate natin ng ganito. Sobrang happy kami, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon, Ma, sobra. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo nag-wish tayo kay Mother ng good health. Siyempre, maraming birthday pa. Tsaka, yung happiness, yung contentment yun. Yun lang.
naiyak ako kasi parang si Ninang, masasabi ko talaga ever since she's a Ninang. Kumbaga, sa mga magkakapatid, alam naman natin na matabi lang bunganga ni Ninang, diba? Pero hindi niya kayang tiisin tayo.
Malusog ka palagi, Ate Luz. Salamat sa tulong mo. Happy birthday.
Stay healthy, stay happy, and thank you for everything. Alam mo na yun, ilang pangalawa ding nanay namin ni Liza. Mahal ka namin. Happy birthday!
Happy
happy birthday, Sister Luz. Napakabuti ng Diyos sa buhay mo. Ang daming pagpapalang natatanggap.
Look at the testament na meron si Doña Luz. How she nurture and cherish her mother. Di ba hanggang ngayon, like Nanay is how old? Kapasalamat kami kasi kasama namin siya sa church. Talagang, totoo po yung sabi ni Sister Myla, welcome kami sa kanya eh.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na nangyari itong 70th birthday celebration ko. Nakarating kayong lahat dito. Napakasaya ko. Wala yatang pagkatumbas ng kaligayahan ko. Sobrang happy ako. Sabi ko nga sana, pagbigyan pa ako ng Diyos na magkaroon pa ng mahabang buhay para magkasama-sama pa rin tayo sa mga susunod na birthday na mangyayari.